The biggest leverage for businesses in 2025 will be AI agents. I founded 2 AI startups and helped more than 20 companies identify where they can implement AI into their business. And as we speak, businesses are struggling to use AI agents to automate phone calls, customer support, emails, and handle all of those repetitive tasks that can really demolish their productivity of the company. If you don't keep up, you are missing on the huge benefits of your business, but don't worry. In this video, I'll show you where AI agents make financial sense for your business, even if you are just starting to explore AI opportunities, so why it's so important. So we will cut through the hype and look at what actually works, starting with what AI agents are and where they can transform your business. So an AI agent is basically a ChatGPT, Claude, or Gemini, but with the access to actually do things in real world instead of you, like sending emails, files, sending some invitations to your calendar, and so on. Only difference between ChatGPT, Claude, Gemini is that AI agents have permissions and tools to take actions. So imagine if you have an assistant, like a real human who can do some tasks for you. So this is where you can command just with a simple conversation about the task, and AI agent will do everything for you. AI agents are not the same as LLM chatbots. AI agents use LLM as a part of their system and have additional capabilities. And how do they actually work? So this is the first part. AI agent is like a computer program that has 3 main parts. First is the brain. It's LLM like ChatGPT, Claude, Gemini that understands what needs to be done for your business. Then it's hands. It's like API connections, tools that have power to perform the task that you have command. And the last part is the instructions. Let me share the real example of recruitment company that we helped when we create a candidate screen, when candidate application comes in and the brain reads and understands the application content. With the hands, it accesses your application tracking system with the specific instructions like qualification criteria and company policies. It automatically matches candidates to a job requirements, ranks them based on your criteria, which you actually said that it's the best criteria, and send appropriate responses. Now that you understand what AI agents are, let's dive into where they actually can make the biggest impact on your business operations, and we will cover AI agents in creative work and marketing automation, AI decision making and data processing, and also personalization and AI-driven interactions. Let's start with the creative part and marketing aspect. As a marketer by myself, this is my favorite conversation. AI agents can write blog posts and copy of the website, email sequences, and more, saving countless hours while maintaining the quality and the brand voice. Tools like Jasper AI, Copy AI make this accessible for every business. In content creation, you can have your video with AI voiceovers and replicate your own video avatars, your own voice, and editing with AI, of course. It allows to create engaging content faster than ever before. When it comes to the social media management, you can put your content on autopilot with AI agents. They can at the same time monitor multiple social platforms, tracking mentions, analyzing sentiments, and so many other things. AI agents can handle inquiries 24/7. On lead qualification side of things, AI agents qualify leads across emails, SMS, social media, and other channels where you actually receive your leads. They ask questions, nurture prospects, and only send qualified leads to your sales team. For example, you can drive more sales and conversations on Instagram, WhatsApp, and Messenger using ManyChat.com automation. From screening resume to ranking candidates, AI agents in HR and recruitment can automate resume screenings, candidate ranking, and initial outreach. Find the best talent faster while actually eliminate your manual busy work. And if you are new to my channel, my name is Anna Stepura. I'm a founder of Fortify. We help businesses identify where they can transform their businesses with AI implementation to actually grow 10x your business in a short period of time. And I make videos like this to show the power of using AI in business. So eventually you might want to work with us or at least subscribe to this channel to don't miss any upcoming videos. So the most powerful area where AI agents can create real value, it is decision making and data processing. AI agents can 10x your business business decision making. Finance is report about businesses' health. With AI analytics, it changes everything. Market analysis used to mean hours scanning competitors' websites and industry news. Now AI agents monitor everything 24/7. They spot price changes instantly, track product launches in real time, and alert you on marketing trends before they even become obvious. Platforms like Crayon automate market intelligence, so you always know where you stand, no more manual research. Financial analysis becomes sharper too. Instead of drawing in spreadsheets, AI agents can parse complex financial reports, access risk, detect anomalies, and generate forecasts. And these capabilities enables you to align more with actually your goals and make better decisions. Supply chain decisions stop being guesswork. Apply AI to your internal processes to predict maintenance needs, optimize inventory levels, and stimulate logistics scenarios, and even more. Giants like Amazon and UPS are masters of AI-driven optimization. But of course, no one knows about that because everything happened behind the scene, right? The more data they process, the more accurate and valuable their insights become. So even if you see some great results from the very beginning or very tiny results in the beginning of implementation your AI agent, you should know that this is only the beginning, because the more agents start working with your company, right, the smarter it becomes. Personalization and customer integrations is where AI agents are enabling businesses to deliver on the promise at scale. You know already that creating personalized interactions can be time-consuming and resource-intensive, especially as your customer base grows. How do you maintain that caring feeling without overwhelming your team or you hiring more talents? So of course you implement AI agents. Let's start with AI sales agents. If you ever missed a phone calls from a hot leads or struggle to follow up within 5 minutes, you know how frustrating it can be to lose the potential revenue. AI agents follow up to every lead, qualifies them based on their responses, and even schedules meetings on your behalf. Moving to e-commerce business, for example, we've all experienced the power of personalized product recommendations. Amazon and Netflix are masters at suggesting items that we might like based on our browsing or purchase history or anything else. I don't know what actually they use more in the data analysis, but it always recommends me something what I really need. But with AI agents, you can take that personalization to the next level, and you don't need to be like that giant as Amazon. But analyzing customer data in real time, AI agents can dramatically adjust product recommendations, offer targeted discounts, and even predict what the customers might want by the next time. AI-driven personalization isn't just about selling more products. It's also about providing better support and experience. Imagine having an AI therapist or coach that's available 24/7 to lend an ear or offer guidance. By analyzing a user response and emotional state, AI agent can provide empathetic, personalized support, but at scale. Of course, implementing AI-driven personalization can seem daunting, especially if you are not sure where to start. That's where having an experienced guidance can make all the difference. As someone who has helped dozens of companies implement AI in their business, first it changed the trajectory of the whole company. Or if you're an expert in any niche and you would like to create some part of software business and you would like to monetize on that, that's where we can help you as well. We can create you AI therapist, AI psychologist, and so much more. So if you're struggling with the missed sales opportunities or anything else, or want to take your customer experience to the next level, or you would like to automate other marketing parts, don't hesitate to reach out. I would be happy to chat about how AI agent could work for your specific business needs. Now you understand exactly where AI agents make sense in business, but you might be wondering, how do I find the perfect use case for my business? In my previous video, how to find the perfect AI use case for your business, I shared a step-by-step framework, how identify the higher return of investment opportunities for your business. And if you want hands-on help elevating your business and pinpoint where you can automate processes with AI agent, create your own AI agent, create your own AI startup or AI business, I'm here to help. Click on the first link in the description and you will see a Google form. And if you qualified, I would love to see you. Thank you so much.